G'day from Poppy's Trains.
Here's a box of the little engine that I bought with some of the money that I got for my birthday. I'm now opening it up so you can see it too. At least there was a nice bit of wrapping around it. And that's the label on the end of the little box. And there's even a couple of little men to go with it. Okay, here we go, connecting up power. Oh well, I should have cleaned the track first. These are the two men that come with the loco, so one of these days you're going to have to paint them up and stick them on. Oh well, that's Smokey Joe running reasonably well with the transformer I've got. Looks like I need to upgrade the track. Oh well, that's another project. Goodbye for now. Oh, keep well and I'll see you next time.